Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a battery replacement for Michael Kors Lady Watch. Let's get started. Use the tweezers to push the pin and release the strap in order to be able to open the back case. Adjust the case back opener tool to match the diameter of the watch back plate. Then, gently rotate it counterclockwise to release the back plate slightly. Next, use your fingers to fully unscrew the back plate. With tweezers, gently extract the old battery, ensuring you avoid damaging the watch mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Before closing the case, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. Use your fingers to screw the back plate clockwise into place. Twist with the case back opener tool in a clockwise direction until it is sealed tightly. Place back the pin in the strap hole and position it with the spring bar tool. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.